Welcome back to VTU update. Regarding the promotion of intermediate students and exams for the terminal students, as per the UGC guidelines and circular of Government of Karnataka, the VTU has decided to promote the intermediate students. See, second point, UG and PG students of current intermediate semester. The UG and PG students of current intermediate semester shall be assessed based on UGC guidelines, considering their continuous internal evaluation marks and performance in the immediate previous semester. Okay, last year formula already there. With the use of that formula, your results will be announced soon. So, and one more point, the terminal students of UGN and PG programs having the final exams. Okay, semester end exams are there for only current terminal semesters. Okay, and one more point, for UG and PG students who wish to improve their performance, they can write the exams in the upcoming months. One more chance is given by the VTU to score more matter. For the backlog students, the exams are conducted in the month of August September. Okay, and the subjects which you have backlogs, you can prepare, and the exams are offline, pen and paper mode. Okay, one important information, that is the question paper for this time is in the open choice question paper. Okay, you have to attempt any question from any module. Okay, there is a or option is not there for this time only, means one module is kept 40 marks for this time. Earlier the module will be kept for 20 marks, but now due to this COVID-19 pandemic, the VTU has given open choice question paper for backlog exams also. Okay, so stay tuned with us. We will upload important questions for you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you.